Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up indicators on Robinhood. Open the Robinhood app and pick the stock or ETF you want to analyze, then tap the chart area to expand it. Choose your preferred time frame and tap the indicators menu. Add moving averages, RSI, or MACD from the list, then adjust lengths or colors to match your strategy and save the layout for quick access. Start by selecting indicators that match your trading style and time frame. For trend following, use a 50 and 200 moving average combo, and for momentum, add the RSI with a 14 period. If you want faster signals, try a shorter moving average like 20. Combine indicators to confirm signals and avoid relying on a single tool, and test settings on a few stocks before applying them broadly. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long trading sessions, and it fits in most cup holders so you can sip without missing a trade. I find it handy when I monitor charts for hours. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After adding indicators, tweak parameters to suit your preferences and screen size. Change colors and line thickness so moving averages and MACD stand out against price candles. Save the chart layout if Robinhood allows it, or note your settings to reapply quickly. Check signals on both short and longer time frames to confirm trends, and remember to keep risk management rules in place before acting on any setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.